Starting? Okay. So today we're gonna show you guys how to do cabinet cleaning, and I'm gonna show you the difference between premium cleaning, standard cleaning, and basic cleaning. We're gonna start with premium cleaning. So let's say we start so I have a drawer and I have a couple cabinets. So this is premium. So I spray it and then I wipe it down, obviously. Depending on how dirty it is, you might need to get some assistance from a brush or even a sponge, depending on how much grime or grease you see. And you want to make sure that you always kind of like check the angles, because certain materials, certain wood has a certain coating that you might not see the grease or the drops that are stuck to that coating from one angle, but if you can see it from a light, you can tell, and it still looks dirty. Whether you wipe it or not, it's still going to look dirty. And that's a mistake that a lot of us make. So you open it on the premium. You open it, you clean this side, right here, and this side. This is premium. Same with the cabinets. You wipe it down from the top, wipe down the whole thing. When you open the door, you wipe down here, you wipe down even this part right here. You wipe down this area, and then I always try to give a quick pass on this area right here. And then quick on the inside of the doors. If I see any smudges, then I'll spray a little more. It doesn't have to take too long, but you do want to make sure that you just kind of like open them and double check the inside just in case, because you know some cabinets may be really clean, some other cabinets may not. So that's the thing about the the premium cleaning, that you'll make sure that all of them are looking good, and just give a pass to all of them. Some of them may take you a little longer than the rest, and that's premium. So now standard is a little lighter. So standard, we just pretty much spray. We just do the outside. We just focus on the handles, the outside. If we can reach the top, then you do like this, but you want to focus on this area right here. This area, and just pretty much a quick pass just on the frames and wherever the hands and fingerprints go. On the top cabinets, you would just do this area right here. Or a standard, okay? Just want to make sure that from here down, wherever you can reach, has no hairs or dust or fingerprints. And that's the standard. Now, the basic. Usually we focus for the basic on the cabinets that are closest to the stove. These cabinets are always going to have the most fingerprints or dirty, their noticeability. But if you want to just still go ahead, like white cabinets are the ones that are the most noticeable when it comes to dust. So you do want to maybe just kind of like quickly check if your towel, maybe get your towel damped, so you don't have to be spraying every single cabinet. And then just kind of like a quick pass on the handles and right here. Handles and right here. And if anything, you can go a little bit higher right here for if you see any smudges or cabinets that are usually, like I said, close to the stove. You want to maybe go up a little bit, but just right here. Right here, right here, right here. This is basic. So as you can see, the procedure is a lot lighter and faster, and it will help you with the cleaning to be able to done in a much shorter time. And that was it.